Well, strong economic data, it just continues to pour in. Manufacturing survey, corporate earnings, all rocking very well. Then there was the retail sales numbers out for June, underscoring the fact that American consumers continue to act on renewed confidence. Now, your headline is 0.5% was in line with estimates, but remember, that number was better than expected if you considered a revision to May. 1.3%, which is amazing. It was up initially 0.8%, which is a very good number to begin with. With me now to discuss, Paul Dietrich, Fairfax Global Markets CEO, Kristin Tate, conservative author. Let me start with you. It's been a long time, first of all, and I know you've had a lot of accolades since the last time we've seen each other. This economy is, in my mind, is just absolutely remarkable. I looked at the Empire State numbers today. J.B. Hunt, a trucking name, blew them away. Their stock exploded, pulled back, unchanged. But the numbers have been absolutely phenomenal.
They have been. I mean, this economy is charging ahead on all cylinders. Yeah, you had the Federal Reserve chairman this week come out and says the Federal Reserve thinks that this is going to continue for the foreseeable future. Earnings are up for S&P 500 companies, 20% it's going to be this year. I mean, that's phenomenal in and of itself, because I always feel that earnings drive the stock market. And I think the only reason the stock market is flat is because of the fears, and it is a fear of what the possible effects would be of a trade conflict.
Although even then, you know, over the last 3 months, the Dow's up like 1,400%. It's sort of a stealthy kind of move, which, by the way, I like those stealthy kind of moves. Now, Kristin, a lot of people are saying this is all made possible by the regulatory cuts and those tax cuts, and that's something you talk about all the time.
Yeah, that's a big part of it. As prosperity spreads from the tax cuts and from a tighter labor market, American families have more money to spend, and it's easy to see the uptick in retail sales firsthand. I went to Walmart this weekend. The place was packed. I mean, you'd think it was Christmas. During Obama's 8 years in office, of course, he never saw 3% growth. Today, the Atlanta Fed's GDP forecast model is tracking a 4.5% growth rate for the second quarter. Other models are tracking rates of up to 5%, over 5%. The growth is so impressive that now we may need to worry about inflation or an overzealous Federal Reserve raising interest rates too high. So it's kind of a balancing act, but the Trump economy continues confounding everyone. It's incredible.
Yeah. I always get frustrated when the Fed wants to step in, and just as middle America is starting to get a raise for the first time, Paul, you know, the idea that they would, like, you know, put too many bumps in a road. But I don't know. I think Jay Powell, who, by the way, starts his two-day testimony tomorrow, they sent a letter to Congress last week. So it seems to me that they want to be accommodative. And if that is the case, can we have a Goldilocks period for the rest of the year?
Yeah, I think part of the concern is that people are worried about inflation. And I always try to tell investors that there's good inflation and there's bad inflation. And bad inflation is when the government spends too much and has to print money, has to print bonds. But good inflation is when there's more supply and demand, there's more workers than there are more jobs than there are workers, and people are getting higher wages. That money then filters through the economy. Pricing power gets better for companies. You know, the companies are paying for this. The government doesn't have to pay for it. So inflation that's that kind of inflation is really, really good.
This is true organic growth.
Yes, and I think Powell understands that. And he did say that he was going to be very moderate in the raises. Raises are going to come,
right?
But it's going to be very moderate.
Kristin, last word to you. You kind of hinted at it, but I think something that's been missing for a long time is velocity of money. The confidence to spend. People get money, they spend it. They get money, they get it. They get money, they spend it. The Federal Reserve tried to create this artificially, you know, this sort of this prosperity, the cycle of prosperity. They couldn't, but I think it's here now.
Absolutely. Yeah, Americans from all demographic backgrounds are being boosted by this economy, including low earners and racial minorities. This is a good time, and this economic progress, Charles, does not happen by accident. Trump and the Republicans were hard at work on this for over a year, and now they're probably going to reap the benefits of that in the upcoming midterm elections. So it's an exciting time for sure.
Alrighty. It's called the virtuous cycle. Hey, thank you both very much. Again, Paul, you're killing them. You're one of the few money managers out there crushing the markets for years on end. Nice seeing you.